Our next speaker will be Soradhmuny from GTRI, and he will talk about implementing 5G handover. I give you already this. I will start the presentation. You can use this. Go.
Thank you. So my name is Soradhmuny Lanh, and I'll be talking about the work we've been doing on 5G handover at GTRI. So up here is a sequence diagram that breaks down what we consider the major messages required to perform a basic handover using 5G. So to test the setup, we are using two OAI GMBs running off either EDIS-B210s, or as you saw from my colleague Austin yesterday, we also have the capability of using the Epic Psychic radios. So on the sequence diagram, everything you see to the left of the AMF that comes in or out of a GMB are messages that we had to implement and add to OAI. And as far as the core is concerned, it's a little more core agnostic. We have been able to test with the OAI core, the Fraunhofer core, and the Amerisoft Callbox core. Full transparency, today we will not be able to demonstrate a full end-to-end handover. We are still running into some debug issues with the RRC reconfiguration in particular. But I do have the captures of our process as is and the different configuration information within each message. So I invite everyone to come down and discuss the challenges that you guys have faced. I know a couple of you have been working on handover as well, based on conversations I had yesterday. In addition to the implementation that we've added to OAI, we've also added an HTTP endpoint into the GMB that allows us to do what we call a forced handover. And this basically allows us to send a command to the GMB to initiate the handover required message without having to account for the measurement report and using that thresholding mechanism. And we plan on augmenting this to also add additional functionality, perhaps triggering handover from the AMF itself, but currently we just have it working from the GMB. So I invite everyone to come down to the booth and just have a discussion. So thank you.